Hello, dear students of grade 5, my best students in the school. This is your science teacher Muhammad Qasim, and today, inshallah, we will talk about what are the inner planets. What are the inner planets? Yes, we have some planets revolve around the sun, we all know this, but we can divide them into two types, which are inner and outer. The inner planets, today we will study them. I have a question here. What planet do you think in this picture? What planet do you see? You see some rocks, you see some red, brownish color, and some salt. And look at the cyan color or the blue color that exists in the above. And here we have a small experiment to know what is the difference between a close planet to the sun and other planet that's really far away. Does it affect the revolving of these planets? Of course, yes. Let's watch this video.
How does distance affect orbiting time? Observe closely.
Have you seen when the long stick drop, it takes longer time than the shorter one. So the distance affects the revolving of the planets. As I told you, there are 8 known planets around the sun. They form our solar system. But what is a planet? A planet is a large round object that revolves around a star like our sun and has cleared the region around its orbit. So, what is a planet? A planet is a large round object that revolves around a star and has cleared the region around its orbit. It means it collects everything almost from dust, gases, rocks, and so on. Well, as we have 8 planets, there are 4 the closest to the sun. There are 4 closest planets to the sun. We call them the inner planets. The inner planets. Inner planets. Very well. The inner planets have rocky surface. Most of them are rocks, such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, our planet, and Mars. But do you ask yourself before about can we see these planets in the sky? In night, we see a lot of stars. Of course, they are very far away from us. The sun is the closest star to our planet. So we see the sun in the morning, but in night we see other stars. Do you think that we see other planets too? I think yeah. We can see the planets change its position relative to the stars from one night to the next. Are you sure? Yeah. The planets or the dark planets shine in the night such as stars. They may be brighter, but it's not their light. They just reflect the sunlight or other stars' light. Now, we have 2 pictures of the night, of course, for the stars, in 2 different days, November 4 and November 25. What do you notice about these pictures? This and this one. What is the difference between them? Let's see who's clever. What do you notice? Oh, yeah. There is an absent star. Look at here and look at here. The star is no longer exist. Of course, because it's not a star. It was a planet. A planet that was reflecting the sunlight or other stars' light, and it actually moves. So where it goes? Yes, exactly. It goes to this spot. Very well. Let's watch this video.
The solar system is made of the sun and its planets, along with moons, asteroids, and comets. A planet is a large round object that revolves around a star and has cleared the region around its orbit. An orbit is the path an object takes as it revolves around a star, planet, or moon. There are 8 known planets that orbit the sun. The 4 closest planets are called the inner planets. These planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The inner planets have rocky surfaces. Earth, which is the 3rd planet from the sun, is the only planet in the solar system